This would be the numerator, and this would be the denominator. Fantastic algebra skills if you figured those two out. Now, I know you might have never seen this being distributed to a fraction. Let's see how we can do that. We'll distribute the 8x to each term in the numerator and to each term in the denominator. This part is the easiest of the multiplications. We'll have 6 times 8x, which is 48x. For the second one, the x's will cancel. We will have an x in the numerator and an x in the denominator. So we'll be left with 3 times 8, which equals 24. If that seems a little off to you, think of 8x as 8x divided by 1. We know x divided by x equals 1, so we're left with 3 times 8, which equals 24. For this multiplication, 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So we're left with x times 2x, which equals 2x squared. And finally, for the last one, 1/8 of 8x would just be 1x. 8 divided by 8 equals 1, so we're left with 1x.